Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZBB, welcome to the program. For today's talk, we have great news for you mga kapuso dahil nanalo po ang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ng bronze for Best Talk Show sa 2025 Content Asia Awards. Ang Content Asia ay isang prestigious award-giving body na nagbibigay parangal sa mga TV shows at pelikula mula sa mga bansa sa Asia. 99 jury members ang pumili ng winners, kabilang na ang ating programa. Wagi rin ng bronze for film, for Best Film at Viewers' Choice Awards ang Hello Love Again ng GMA Pictures at ABS-CBN Films. Nanalo naman ang theme song nito na palagi ni TJ Monterde at KZ Monterde ng Silver for Best Original Song. Maraming salamat sa ating Fast Talk team ay ang parangal na ito ay para sa inyo at sa ating mga nanay, tatay at kapuso na nagmamasid araw-araw sa ating munting programa, utang po namin sa inyo yun. Maraming salamat. Exciting afternoon. Nagbabalik Pilipinas, nagbabalik concert stage, nagbabalik GMA. Naitay Kapuso, the one and the only Queen of Soul, Jaya!
Tito Boy, you look amazing.
You look gorgeous.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Wow. I need to breathe. I'm a little nervous.
Oh, you are?
Eh, Tito Boy ang kaharap ko. Siyempre,
Ano ka ba naman?
nervyos
Pero
ako.
when you do concerts, nininervyos ka pa rin?
Yes, sir. May konting ganon.
May konting ganon.
I think yung mga isip-isip pagka-singer kasi yung boses, yung pahinga, lalo na may jet lag. So, medyo maiksi din yung aming pagtitipon before the concert. Like,
Right.
you know what I'm saying? So, wow, you know what I'm saying out there?
No, but generally speaking, when you perform,
Yes.
Are you a blank canvas or ikaw yung, I mean, because I've spoken to some singers, ito yung, sana mahit ko ito, oh God, why did I choose this song? I mean, our
Maganyan.
friends, no?
Yes.
Ikaw, ano yung proseso?
Kilala mo naman si Mama, di ba?
Yes.
Siya kasi yung peg ko. Siya yung naging, paano ba? Coach. But she wasn't someone that taught me how to do things. But I looked at everything that
Right.
she did. Wala talaga siyang planning when it comes to performing. It's just all spontaneity and good luck.
Doon yung brilliance ng Tita Elizabeth.
Yan po ang nakakamiss kay Mama. And then I think that became my go-to pagdating sa concerts. I would be told what to do, what to sing and everything, but the moment I step, it's just good luck sa ating dalawa. Myself and myself.
Yeah, right.
Oo.
And God watching. Di ba?
And God's promptings.
Galing.
Dati hindi ko alam yan. Wala akong ganyan. Tito Boy,
Ganda ng
mayabang
God's
ako dati.
promptings, di ba?
Promptings.
How is it coming back to GMA7?
Teka lang Kasi una sa lahat, gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat for the warm welcome that you all have. Marami akong baon English today. Sandali, gamitin natin, baka ma-expire. No, this moment for me is such welcoming, warm feeling kasi dito ako nag-start noon, SOP. Nag-soap din ako dito ako natutong umarte. Mga kaibigan ko, mga naging kumpari ko, lahat galing dito. I've had so many lovely experiences. And then nabuntis ako twice, di ba? Yan po, ang anak kong isa, 19 years old na siya. And
beautiful, yeah.
beautiful memories in this building.
Right.
Beautiful memories, teachings, and grateful feelings.
At hindi ko malilimutan ang SOP. I mean, you talked about SOP. Totoo yan, I was with ABS-CBN at the time.
Yeah.
But I would watch back to back to back. You know, naalala nyo?
Yeah.
How was that experience? I mean, you were with Ogie. Sino ba? Ogie, Jano, Regine, Lani.
And me.
Oh,
Dati pa si Kakay kasali.
Oo.
Then when she left, kami na lang 5.
Kumusta yun? How was that?
Yung dynamics namin.
Dynamics, that experience, yung, you know.
Ilang taon ba ang SOP kung may magbabato ng taon? Sa laman, ha? 20 years.
Oh my God.
Ang dami naming pinagdaanan, kilala na namin ang isa't isa. Pag may mainit ang ulo, alam ko. Pag merong mga chismis sa labas, alam
Sino
ko.
ang madalas mainit ang ulo? Tayo lang
Parang lumabas na dun sa sa frame.
Isa doon. Ganon kakilala nyo na ang
Yes.
isa't isa. But in terms of the choices of songs, halimbawa,
Opo.
you know, we are in a very competitive business. We are very good friends. But you know, the moment you're on stage,
Ayan na nga.
yung mga killer instinct lumalabas yun. You know, how was that? Dynamics nun.
So, I will only speak for myself kasi
Yes.
alam ko yung naranasan ko bilang isang artist sa SOP, priceless, right? Nung dumating ako ng 96, I was a mere nobody. I was a somebody, perhaps kasi may nakaalam na si Jaya ay nag-start sa US at anak ni Elizabeth Ramsey.
Right.
But coming into the scene, major pressure yon kasi talagang parang inilatag ako sa lahat ng mga icons na kinalakihan ko. Regine, Jano, Ogie, name the artist. Parang, Diyos ko, bakit ako nandito sa kalagitnaan ng mga ito? And it felt to me like I was learning throughout the process. I would watch Regine, how she hits her notes.
Lani,
Diba? How she... Basta lahat, even the male singers, I paid attention to what they were doing and saying. Why? Kasi hindi lang entablado ang concern ko, yung after na nakatapat ang mga camera. Kaano ba sila kababait? How true are they as a friend? That's why I remain friends with a lot of them. Not only the artists, but yung mga makeup artists, writers, EPs, kung sino-sinong mga...
Ang sarap panoorin nyo noon. You know, Ogie, given, I mean, he's really a singer. But you know, during that time, and even up to now, Jano Gibbs is one of the best singers in this country.
I will 100%
say that.
agree.
Di ba?
Di ba, ang swerte ko, nagkaroon kami ng Ikaw Lamang,
Right.
Kung Kailangan Mo Ako, and para po malaman ninyo gaano ka-stricto si Jano as a producer, yung Ikaw Lamang, note for note, turo niya. At pag hindi ko nagawa yon,
Sample nga, halimbawa yung may konting ano lang.
nabanggit no?
Oo, nabanggit Oo.
Hindi kasi siya, very strict. Gusto niya may sarili siyang sound na naririnig. So,
Ganun siya
ganon,
no?
pag mali ako, inuulit ko kasi naaalala ko yung turo niya sa akin. No, wrong again. No, wrong again.
Oo.
Very strict. But once you get what he wants at nag-perform na kayo live,
Ayun na.
yun na yun.
One day, I want Jano to produce my Leron Sinta. I sing it here. Hindi, but let's go
Parang
back to...
gusto ko tuloy marinig yung
Ayun. Leron. How would you do it? Leron Sinta.
Ang galing mo, Ang galing,
Da 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 da.
Leron Sinta.
Hindi ko, oo. Leron Sinta.
Gusto ko yung may daliri May metro.
Okay. You know, dalawang beses umalis papuntang Amerika si Jaya. 1985, sabi mo nga, to be exact,
Yep.
Tita Elizabeth, who I truly, dearly loved, okay?
Thank you.
Decided to move to the U.S. 2021, you and your family,
Yes.
and Gary decided to move to the U.S. Go back to the two experiences. What do you remember? What do you remember? What were the biggest challenges in both movements?
Okay, so nung una, we left kasi si Mama na-book as one of the performers dun sa LA show and San Francisco show or something like that. And ang nanay ko, alam niyang kasama niya si Tito Eddie Mercado, Kuya Rico J. Puno, Miss Lerma de la Cruz at siya. So sabi niya sa producer, Dong, isama ko na itong anak ko, Dong. Kay mag-isa lang siya dito, ilang taon lang ito, 15 lang ito, Dong. Sabi ng producer, hindi po pwede kasi kayo lang po ang kakayaning dalhin. Sabi niya, ay, bahala na kayo. Wala nang Elizabeth Ramsey dyan. Kasi yung anak ko, pag naiwan yan, iwan din ako. So, she made sure that naisama ako sa pagpunta ng Amerika kasi naisip niya, wala akong future dito. Yun ang una niyang thought. So, pagdating namin ng Amerika, imbis na kasama lang ako yung parang naging opening act nung concert. So, doon na talaga nag-start yung professional job as a singer. Kasi yung sa Pilipinas, putsu-putsu, 10 years old dancer, yung mga ganun-ganun na mga dancer, yung mga naka-costume.
Nagbaback up pa.
Ganun, pak. Ang mga, hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4, ano siya, pak, ganon. So, then 12 years old singer.
Okay.
So, kung saan si mamang perform, natutunan ko na yung, ano yung gusto niyang mangyari.
Fast forward to 2021.
Then 2021, iba yon. Nagkaroon ng pandemic, wala tayong mga trabaho. Naisip ko, we were really deeply rooted at the time with Favor Church. We were going to church, trying to find answers to what we really wanted to be, what we wanted to do in life. Klaro yan sa asawa ko nung nagka-stroke siya, gumaling siya after 3 days. Now mind you, hindi siya na-paralytic. Wala, yung mata lang niya ang nag-move.
Okay, na-stroke?
Na-stroke, gumaling after
3 days. Yes.
Sa hospital
Right.
And then, thinking about it, sabi ko, parang wala, yung puso ko, parang ayaw na kumanta. Kasi I wanted to quit many times.
Yeah.
Not only in singing, but in life.
Right.
So, naisip ko, Lord, tama na to. Ayoko na. Nanay na lang ako kung talagang kailangan naming umalis, aalis kami.
And other challenges happened. The fire.
Oh, that was after.
That was after.
We moved without thinking about the consequences of the move. Pagdating po namin ng Amerika, yun na nga, God had other plans. Dumami po yung trabaho ko during the pandemic.
Oo.
Nag-TOEFL tayo, nagkita pa tayo noon.
Oo.
And
At
then,
magtotofa tayo muli.
ulit sa October 17 in Las Vegas.
That's right.
Yun pong sunog nangyari a year after, on the 16th birthday of Sabria, my daughter. Nag-Stevie B concert ako. Kasi ginagawa ko yung Stevie B concerts ulit.
We need an hour for this because Stevie B played a very important role.
Yes.
That's where you started actually.
Yes.
Okay.
And pagbalik galing San Antonio, Texas, birthday niya, nag-set up ng candles. Happy birthday to you. Mga 5 minutes pa lang. Pag-blow ng candles, bakit yung sahig may usok? Yung vent. Sabi ko, Gavin, yung aking anak na isa, go downstairs and check what's going on. There's like smoke happening here. Mom, fire! Achuchuchu! Labas.
Oo.
So yun, fire wasn't really something for us. It was a test of faith not only for my family but for the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Because you have to understand po, ang Washington State is one of the most unchurched states.
Okay. All right.
And that's kind of, yun yung nagbuo sa amin ng bonggang-bongga. Yung tipong wala nang makakatibag pa sa faith natin and sa pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Now you're home for Jaya All Hits.
Ayan na.
Sabi ko, we need an hour to do this conversation. We'll find out more what's going to happen, anong aming aasahan dito sa concert na ito. And we're also happy because that's going to happen at the New Frontier.
Theater, yes. September 14. Itong linggo na po.
September 14.
Linggo.
New Frontier. That's Jaya All Hits. And
yes.
I have a couple of questions. One, what will it take for you to come home? And maikli lang, I want to talk to you about fame. Dalawang tanong. Una, kailan ang fame healthy? And when is it toxic?
Wow.
Ang mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. We're back on the show. Kasama ho natin ang nag-iisang Jaya. You have a concert, September 14. Invite everybody.
Mga kaibigan, manood po tayo. Jaya All Hits Concert live at the New Frontier Theater, September 14. Itong linggo na pong ito. At kasama ko po ang aking mga kaibigan sa industriya at mga kapamilya ko na rin po sila. Si Jason D., Eric Santos, and Mr. Ogie Alcacid. And of course,
wow.
it's directed by John Prats.
The one and the only inaanak ko.
Yes, and our musical director is Jem Florendo. And of course, this is produced. Maraming salamat sa Cornerstone Concerts, L Squared Production, and Cal Studios. At syempre, ang tickets sa ticketnet.com.ph. And please go on all of our social media accounts, Jaya or Cornerstone, to get more information on how to get your tickets. Sing along tayo, go!
Hi,
Thank you po.
Eric Sean, and hi, Jeff. Bibili ho ako ng 10 tickets for my Fast Talk staff. We cannot miss this. We cannot miss
Tita Pai,
this.
salamat!
Yes. Okay. Let's do Fast Talk.
Ay, Fast Talk!
Jaya.
Po!
Iyay, Jaya.
Iyay.
Heart, soul.
Heart.
Queen of soul, beauty queen.
Beauty queen.
Dapat, Pilipinas, Amerika.
Pareho.
Wala na bang pag-ibig, wala na bang pagkain?
Wala na bang pagkain?
Success sa career, success sa love life.
Love life.
Kanta na nagpapangiti sa'yo.
Oh my gosh. Goodness of God.
Kanta na nagpapaiyak sa'yo.
Goodness of God.
Gary sa umaga, Gary sa gabi.
Uy, pareho na lang. Yum pie!
Pangarap mong makaduet.
Oh gosh. Pwedeng trio?
Yeah.
Lani Regine.
Oh, pangarap mong maging leading man.
Yola na lang.
1 to 100, ilang concerts na ang nagawa mo?
100 plus.
Talaga, ilang duets na ang nagawa mo?
Basta Mediano, Regine, Ogie, Lani, Eric, marami na po.
1 to 100, ilan ang nanligaw sa'yo sa showbiz?
Wala.
1 to 100.
Pero, never mind.
Okay. Ilan ang nakarelasyon mo sa showbiz?
Wala.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness, happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime. All day.
Gagawa ka ng bagong album. Give it a title.
Oh my God. It's all about love. It's all about love.
What will it take for you to come home?
I am always home.
You are.
My heart is, parang yung feeling ko na nasan yung home is where my family's at. How's that?
Tama.
So kung nandun
Tama.
ako, nandun ng pamilya ko, that's home. If I'm here, home ko din to. Basta kasama ko sila.
Okay. Kailan ang fame healthy at kailan toxic ang kasikatan?
Oh, wow. Okay. Palagi kong sinasabi sa mga tao pag tinatanong ako na how does it feel to be famous, sinasabi ko hindi ako famous. Kasi hindi ko alam, naramdaman ko na yung kilalang kilala at feeling mo tinitingala ka na hindi mo naintindihan bakit. Kasi ang feeling ko hindi naman ako ganun kagaling kumanta, maraming mas magaling. So I don't know the feeling of real fame, like with a lot of money, like oozing with money, traveling around the world with no care in the world. Hindi ko yan ginagawa. Sa ako namamalengke sa farmers, yung mga ganon. Simple lang ako. Now, the fame becomes toxic. Feeling ko, sa nakikita ko sa ibang tao, doon ko na ginigage yung toxic siya. Kasi may mga tao na nasa show business, feeling ko lang, no? This is just an observation, like I said, sobrang famous, parang hindi ko na malapitan, hindi ko na makausap ng katulad nung dati. Yun yung, doon ako nalulungkot. Not for me, but for those who really have that type of fame.
I agree.
But, you know what I'm saying,
Yeah,
right?
I've been in the business too
So,
long.
di ko talaga ma-i-apply yan sa akin.
Oo. Anong gusto niyong kantang marinig? Kakanta kami.
Let's Hindi, Tito Boy, anong gusto mo?
Oh my
A
God.
Whitney, I don't know.
That's a tough question. Oo.
Bakit yun, Charot? Tinanong bakit siya? Ikaw,
Yun.
malungkot o masaya?
Alam mo, gusto ko malungkot. Oo.
Salamat! Nakakahiya. Ano ba yan?
That's September 14, New Frontier.
New Frontier.
That's what day?
September 14 po, itong linggo na to.
Linggo po, ha? Linggo.
Opo.
At tayo'y magkikita-kita, New Frontier, that's Jaya.
Wow.
All hits, okay? Ako naman, Leron.
Bakit ba yan ang favorite song mo, to
Wala,
boy?
yun lang ang kinakanta ko. Pag
Talaga?
medyo hinahihilingan ako ng kumanta, so meron ako ang iba-ibang style.
Oh, go.
Leron, Leron, Sinta.
Yan ang Jaya style.
Jaya style. Thank you.
Tito
But
Boy.
I learned something.
I love you, Tito Boy.
Love you. Maraming salamat. Bravo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
For your music. Thank you for all that you are, and thank you for all that you do.
Thank
For
you.
all of us and for the world.
And may I just say thank you, Lord, for what you've done in my life, because at this stage in my life, I still got to go back to GMA just to say hello to everyone and to
Yeah.
be with the most generous man I've ever met. Mr. Tito Boy,
Thank you.
salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank
Walang
you.
anuman.
Salamat, GMA!
Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapapasok sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan araw-araw. Piliin laging maging tama. Be Juan Tama. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless.